हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस Shubham एंड यू आर वाचिंग ट्रस्ट एडवेंचर। सो आज के वीडियो में हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं। मैंने जो अभी नया हेलमेट परचेस किया उसका। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, द बॉक्स इज हियर, कूल, प्रीटी कूल एंड या okay. So the company name is Stud and MRP is 1795 only, one quantity, and it's a full face helmet and the size of helmet is 580 that's complete large size, and manufacture date is 12th of November 2019. I know it's a pretty bag, but okay, so let us start the unboxing. Okay, it has a pretty much cool cover. Good. Okay. Cool. It's actually has black cover and the visor. It's pretty cool. It has a gray tint on it, and it's really very helpful in front of sun. Let's see. Cool. अब प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी सर में जाने में. Okay, and you know these are the special keys given here, and it's for air. It is really helpful while if you sweat, your head gets sweating in while driving. Okay, and back of here it's also has an air mesh here. Cool, and it says ISI mark. Cool, and yeah, there's other thing also. It has a cushions. The cushion inside the helmet, it's really soft. See, it's really pretty cool, and the size of helmet is 580 that's a complete wall large size. Cool, and it really looks pretty amazing. It's the category is Thunder, and it's specially for sports and heavy riders. Cool. Yeah, you just have a look on the helmet. See how cool it looks while riding. So thank you Stud for providing me this helmet. It's really great. Thank you.